What do you mean? You heard crying?
This warning signs, come on.
You heard crying? Fuck. What do you mean? Like an entity crying? Like demon?
Yes.
Hold on.
Wait, where did Hedrick go? Don't tell me he went to fight that shit.
I keep feeling cold chills from down here. Hello? You heard that?
It sounds like fucking wings beating, right?
Oh, it sounds like someone just tapped the door or a wall. Hello? Is anybody in here? Bro, I heard that. What the fuck, man? You heard that, right? Bro, that was definitely my nigga. Yo, this place is really fucking haunted, bro. Oh, man. Let's just get the fuck out of here, bro. I'm not. There's too many times, bro. Too many hot spots. Too many motherfucking noises. I just heard something slam. You're talking about hearing a little girl fucking cry, bro. We need more people. We gonna get fucking killed by Stabby or somebody. Fuck this. There we go. End the video.
This place
Bye.
is worse than the mall.
Oh my God.